I just got this rock bass using a Fat Albert on a metal jig. Little sparkle. He's a nice guy. Fishing at the Susquehanna still. Just had a nice bite. It might have been a muskie or a big smallmouth, but it didn't jump. We're gonna release on him, guys. It's a fat one. I'll get back to you guys if I get anything else. Is it another Rocky?
That's like a really small.
Oh, that's huge rock bass. Yeah, for a rock bass. Hey guys, just got another rock bass at the Susquehanna River. He's a nice one. Nice lunk. Red eyes, nice color. I'll show you what bait I'm using. Keep on getting bites. There's a lot of smallies in this area. Using the same thing, Fat Albert on a silver jig. He's a nice guy. We'll release him. I'll get back to you guys if you get any more.